Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use Semrush Dashboard. Semrush is an all-in-one digital marketing tool that offers a wide range of features to improve your online presence. The Semrush Dashboard is the central hub where you can access all the tools and features that Semrush has to offer. To get started with the Semrush Dashboard, you need to create an account and log into the platform. Once you log in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your projects and the tools that are available to you. The dashboard is customizable and you can add or remove widgets to suit your needs. One of the key benefits of using the Semrush Dashboard is that it allows you to track your website's performance. You can monitor your website's traffic, engagement, and conversion rates all in one place. You can also use the dashboard to track your competitors and see how your website stacks up against theirs. The Semrush Dashboard also offers a range of tools to help you improve your search engine optimization. You can use the keyword research tool to find the best keywords for your website and the technical SEO audit tool to identify and fix technical issues on your website. You can also use the dashboard to track your backlinks and see how they are impacting your website's rankings. Another benefit of using the Semrush Dashboard is that it offers a range of analytics and reporting tools. You can use these tools to track your website's performance over time and see how your marketing efforts are impacting your bottom line. You can also use the dashboard to create custom reports and share them with your team or clients. Best practices for using the Semrush Dashboard include setting up regular tracking and monitoring of your website's performance, using the tools and features to identify areas for improvement, and taking action to address any issues that you find. It is also a good idea to customize the dashboard to suit your needs and to use the analytics and reporting tools to track your progress over time. In conclusion, the Semrush Dashboard is a powerful tool that can help you improve your online presence and drive more traffic to your website. By using the dashboard to track your website's performance, improve your search engine optimization, and analyze your analytics and reporting, you can take your digital marketing to the next level. With its range of features and tools, the Semrush Dashboard is an essential tool for any digital marketer or business owner looking to succeed online.